Kiddos, for your reading assignment today, we're going to review beginning letter sounds for pictures. So you have 5 slides on this assignment with 2 pictures per slide. You're going to look at the picture on the slide and you're going to think what sound that picture begins with. So let's do this one. This is an elephant, so I'm going to say elephant, elephant. What letter says Is it O, E, or A? Okay, and these are our short vowel sounds. So it's an E says so I'm going to click on my red circle and I'm going to drag it up to the E. And I'll do the same thing on the next picture. So this is a fish. So the beginning sound in fish is F. So what letter says F? F, V, or S? So it's F. F says F. I'll click on my red dot and I'll drag it over to the F. You're going to go ahead and do the rest of the pictures on your own and we'll go over it on Monday. All right, good luck.